The human brain was not built for heavy, text-based information. We were born into this world with the innate gift to receive images and notice patterns and trends quickly. So if you're used to reading lines of text, that is still useful information, but it's not the most efficient way to learn. Mind mapping was a revolutionary way to take information from your brain and visualize its connections in a branch-like diagram. And it's been done since the early Renaissance period with the likes of Leonardo da Vinci's flying machine, ancient scholars like the likes of Plato and Aristotle, but more specifically, Porphyry of Tyros used branch-based diagrams to depict the nature of man. So since we've been using these techniques so often, one question is, why do we struggle with traditional notes? Why can't both visual and word-based information be equal in processing? The short answer is that the brain is not as easily stimulated by the words, and it becomes bored, leading to a semi-hypnotic state where you can easily forget what you just read. It requires intentional discipline and natural interest to stay engaged with only reading. Therefore, to overcome this, British psychologist Tony Buzan popularized the mind map structure that mimics how our brains actually think using the following rules. 1. Start with a central image. 2. One main topic per branch with subtopics and their own subbranches. 3. Use a variety of colors to excite the brain. 4. Use one keyword per line and print words clearly and stay short. And then 5. Leave space for new thoughts and let your mind wander. The results were staggering when tested. Mind mapping increased learning and retention by over 15% in medical students and up to 32% in children over conventional note-taking. Today, mind mapping software has revolutionized the field. You can now edit, reorganize, and minimize branches with a click. Most importantly, for project managers, you can assign dependencies and priorities directly in the map, then instantly convert your visual brainstorm into a Gantt chart or timeline. So in short, mind mapping saves time, eliminates duplication, and accesses the creative part of your brain. Stop linearizing your thoughts and start mapping them, and you may find better information retainment.